Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of locked account on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv app as you see and you will click here. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. You will go to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will enter to Play Store and you will update your app on Play Store. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.